Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make image watermark only last page in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert image watermark only the last page. Go to the design menu, then click watermark option. Choose custom watermark. Select the picture watermark and select picture from our file. Then click OK. Then go to the first page and go to the second page. Then go to the layout menu. Click breaks drop down menu, choose continuous. Then go to the third page and apply the same process. Then go back the insert menu, click header option, choose blank header. Then click link to previous. Then go to the second page, click link to previous. Then delete the image. Then close header and footer. Now we can see we make image watermark only last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.